Well, it's lunchtime at Rick's place. And of course, what's better for lunch than some steak? Now, I had a couple of questions, and one of them was, what's in your refrigerator? Well, let's see. First of all, we'll check the freezer. Now we got ice cubes falling out. But as you can see in my freezer, there's some ice packs, there's some meat, we've got some beef, we've got some pork, we've got some chicken, and in that plastic bag is a frozen iguana. There's also butter in the freezer, and of course more meat. This right here is frozen iguana meat that I put into the package so when I need it, it's available. Now in the refrigerator, what else will we find? Well, we have our little dairy case, and as you can see, there's plenty of butter. There's cheese, more cheese. There's some powdered milk to add to yogurt. Over here, about the only vegetables I have are some garlic and onions. I've got, some leftovers from one of my stews. I've got some lard and some tallow and some gelatin that I'm rendering. And of course, there is some pork right here. Here's some homemade yogurt right there. There's some tallow that I rendered from some beef. Over here is more pork. And right there we have some beef. And I always buy the beef when it's less expensive. You can see right here that's the regular price, but got it marked down. Not too bad. The pork is even cheaper, as you can see. So it doesn't have to be expensive to eat this way, but you don't see a whole lot of packaged foods. Again, the only packaged food you'll see is some of the powdered milk that is used to make yogurt, and a few odd fruits that I've picked from the backyard. There's some lemons, there's some oranges, and that's about it. The only other thing you'll find is mustard, and I have a friend that likes to come over. He likes this hot sauce, so I keep that there for him as well. But that's it. Very simple way to live.